kakantahin ako ulit, meron pa akong isang kakantahin.
Ang galing. Sige po.
Kakanta niyo po
Pwede
ano?
na?
Pilita Corrales.
In March 15, 1624, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. When Magellan landed in Limasawa at dawn, the people met him very welcome in the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because Castilla gid a waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Rahahumabon with him very happy. All people were baptized and built a Church of Christ, and that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him in the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. When Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come off lands. Mactan Island we could not grab, 'cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. When the battle began at dawn, bullets and spears versus guns and cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan, long time ago.
Ay, wow.
Dayo!
I was amazed. Speechless.
Kakanta niyo po si Magellan.